Hello and welcome to TO Markets price action analysis, and here we have yet again USDCAD being so kind to us, hitting our targets the third time in September. So 3 days ago the market had moved to target 1, and then I gave you the next target, which was basically reached today. So if you like what we do, I would say go to our analysis page at tomarkets.com/analysis and you will find lots of good material. If you think this is valuable for your friends as well, you might want to help us out by sharing the links with them. I'm sure they appreciate your help too. Now, please remember that we do not provide investment advice, and all the material made available here is only for educational and marketing purposes. So if you agree with the disclaimer, you are welcome to continue with the video. Otherwise, you should basically find something else to do. Lovely. Great to have you here. I'm going to show you today what is happening with this market and where the current key levels are, so that you can basically develop your trading plan better, and hopefully that results in better trading also for you. So let me bring up the charts. So here the market moved to our target 1. Target 1 was reached, and then fairly quickly the market just keep on moving higher and hit our target 2. So basically we are now with the level where the other participants might be also taking some money off the table, and this is why the market is struggling a bit. But the question is, where are the most reliable levels if we get a retracement from here? So obviously we want to find technical levels where several things come together. This is often called as confluence. So let's see with what things are coming together and where. So obviously we have the 10-period moving average, which quite often has been a good signal for us. Not a signal, rather, I think we should say that it has been a good technical factor to take into account. So looking at this chart here, I'm looking at this high. I think that's important because the market tried to get through and couldn't at first, but then the level was penetrated. So if the market retraces back, let's see what the Fibonacci levels say. And the way I've drawn this, I took a prominent low here and the latest high. And at the moment, the 23.6 Fibonacci level coincides with this high. So we have two things, actually three things coming together here. We have approximately the moving average in the area, we have this high, and we have the 23.6 retracement level here. So if we also do some trend line analysis, here we have a trend line coinciding with the same area. So I'm thinking, that maybe the market doesn't, we never know. But if the market retraces lower, I'm thinking that the area somewhere down here is an area that we should be following or keeping an eye on. So let's have some alerts in this area if the price retraces there. Yes, I know that it's going to be below this below this trend line, but still, if we get strong signals here, there might be a bounce that takes the market to these latest highs. So at least an intraday trade there maybe. Obviously, we have had success with this market. I was here saying that it's likely to go down and find some buyers at these levels. And then I said it's probably going to move to this level, which was the target 1. So basically we have both target 1 and target 2 hit in this market already. And we don't need the new money from this market right now. We could go elsewhere and look for opportunities there. But looking at this, there is several things coming together here, so maybe we get a bounce from there. Let's see how the price action, what the price action is going to be like when the market, and if the market comes down here. Obviously, for any market to continue higher, you need a series of higher lows and higher highs. So we have a higher low here, and if the market creates another higher low above this key level here, let's see exactly where it is. So I'm going to use the magnet here, and it gives us 32.79. So if the market creates a higher low above 32.79, then we have a good likelihood of market moving back to current levels at least, and maybe even continuing higher. But let's follow also the other dollar pairs, what's happening with the US dollar in general, so we can have a better idea on what is likely to happen. So thank you, trade safe, and go to tomarkets.com/analysis, where you find written analysis on daily basis. And again, if you like what we do, maybe you want to share the links and give us thumbs up in YouTube. It helps. It does help us as quite a lot bit, because we know that you guys like what we do, and therefore we know how to develop our service to you even better. Thank you. Trade safe. See you soon in the next video.